DIY today. We're going to do a mermaid centerpiece. And here's the mermaid balloon. We got everything from the Dollar Tree. So here's the mermaid balloon. You had to blow it up yourself. Came with a straw and you put the straw through this piece right here and just blow it up. And when you get done, you just seal it back like that. So I got the glass from the Dollar Tree, and it was a pack. I got a pack of 25 balloons. This glass was $1.25 as well, and it's the clear glass. So I blew one balloon up with the balloon inside to keep the balloon inside, so you see it's not falling. So we blew up 4 more balloons, and we made them almost the same, the size. So we're gonna have these 4 like this. We're gonna tie them like this. We're gonna tie these pinks together, like so. And we're gonna tie them like this. These 2 balloons, we're gonna have them going.
The blue and the purple one.
The blue and the purple, we're gonna have going this way. So we're gonna tie them these 2 together. And this is an easy way for you to do your kids' birthday parties without spending a lot of money. So we're gonna flip these balloons like this. So it'd be sitting like this. So we're gonna tie these 4 balloons onto this. And you just twist it around the balloons, and it's going to sit like that.
You get the mermaid.
Then we're going to get the mermaid balloon. Now, the mermaid balloon has a hole here and a hole here. You can have it sitting up like that, but we're going to have it as if the mermaid is splashing in the water, like splashing. So she's going to be leaning to the side. And we're doing that on purpose. So this string I got from the Dollar Tree as well. You get whatever colors you want. You're not going to see it, so only cut a little piece off. And we're going to put it through the hole like this. I'm going to get it through the hole. Okay, so it's through the hole like this. I'm just going to tie a knot in it. Like this. So I'm just going to tie it again through the balloons like so, and we're going to tie it kind of tight so it won't like fall down or anything like that. And I'm just going to tie it in a knot. And it's not going anywhere. So here you go, a nice little party thing from Mermaid. Now, if you have a cutting machine and have vinyl, you could put the kid's name on the mermaid. Like my name is Shakia, you can have Shakia written on the mermaid with vinyl. This I didn't put the name on there because everybody else that have a cutting machine. So if you need a party centerpiece without having a cutting machine, this is an easy party decoration for you. So here you go like this, and you could get.
Okay guys, this is the finished product.